Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Well, that other video was loaded, so this is part 2. I started thinking and wonder why it could be better than the Smart Fill tool. So I drew 2 lines. I'm going to go up to Effects and Blend, and let's blend them 7, 8 times. Now you need to go up to Object and break the blend apart, but then select everything and go back minus front. That takes away the outer lines, which is pretty cool within itself. But then you go to Object and break the curve apart, and now you have different objects that are, this would be very useful, very handy. You know, the other way I would have done it before I found out this, I would have had to smart fill them and then, move them out of the way and had separate joints. This is pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.